Welcome to this summary of a journey into the interior of the Earth by Jules Verne, a classic adventure that takes us deep beneath the Earth's surface. Jules Verne, often called the father of science fiction, introduces us to Professor Otto Lidenbrock, an eccentric scientist living in Hamburg. He's joined by his nephew Axel, a cautious young scholar, and their guide Hans, a stoic Icelandic adventurer. Together, they're about to embark on one of literature's most daring expeditions. One day, Professor Lidenbrock discovers an ancient manuscript written in runic script. Using his linguistic skills, he deciphers it to reveal an astonishing message: descend into the crater of Snæfellsjökull in Iceland, and you will reach the center of the Earth. Axel is skeptical at first. Could this be real? But Lidenbrock's enthusiasm wins him over, and they set out on this perilous journey. After weeks of preparation, the trio travels to Iceland and hires Hans as their guide. They begin their descent into Snæfellsjökull volcano, navigating through narrow passages and facing increasing heat as they go deeper. The journey is treacherous from the start. Rock slides threaten them at every turn, but their determination keeps them moving forward. As they descend further, they uncover a hidden world beneath the Earth's surface. They discover an underground sea so vast, they must build a raft to cross it. Along the way, they encounter prehistoric creatures. Straight out of legend, a plesiosaurus attacks their raft. But nothing prepares them for what comes next, spotting a 12-foot-tall humanoid figure watching a herd of mastodons in a lush forest from millions of years ago. Their journey isn't without hardship. They face dehydration when their water supply dwindles and must find creative ways to survive. Rockslides nearly trap them underground, but Hans' resourcefulness helps them escape. Amid these dangers, they make incredible discoveries: fossils of ancient creatures and evidence of life from Earth's distant past. After weeks underground, they reach what they believe is the center of the Earth, only to realize it isn't what they expected. Trapped by a blocked path, they use gunpowder to blast their way through. This triggers a volcanic eruption that propels them upward in a dramatic escape. They are ejected from the Earth's interior and land safely on Stromboli Island in Italy. A journey into the interior of the Earth is more than just an adventure. It's a blend of science and fiction that explores human curiosity and bravery. Verne was known for his meticulous research into geology and paleontology at the time. Though some of his ideas have been disproven by modern science, his imaginative vision continues to inspire readers. The novel's themes of exploration and discovery remain timeless.